everybody, welcome to Katia School. My name is Archana Mukherjee and today we are going to do the unboxing of the July card kit by Creative Escape Papercrafting. I also have a giveaway going around, so stay tuned to the end of the video to know more about the giveaway. So before we look at this card kit, I would like to give you my first impression. When you look at it, it reminds you of summer. Summer colors like fresh blues, sand, the beaches. And this is a very loaded kit. When I say loaded, you will know it's really loaded with all kinds of embellishments and accessories and paper, etc, etc. Let's go ahead. I'm going to go by the list which is included in the card kit. It comes with a list of things that you're going to get. First is one artsy stamp set and die set. This particular stamp set, you have a lot of naval kind of symbols, like you have the anchor, you have a sailboat, you have a compass, you have the wheel on your ship, and you have a bird. I think it's perfect if you want to make a sunset card. There are sentiments like the adventure begins or let's sail away. So yeah, there's a lot of scope to it. There's a lot of travel kind of scrapbooking that you can do. You can use let's sail away for a nice romantic card that you would like to give to your significant other if you have one. Or your friends. Yeah, they are your significant other as well. These are puffy stickers by Prima. And over here you'll see a lot of flowers. But again, a lot of vacation theme, like you have a bicycle, you have a little scooter, you have ocean, and you have the anchor, but a lot of floral as well. There are little puffy hearts, pineapples, sunglasses, a hello, and there are different heart-shaped puffy stickers as well, which have little sentiments written, and there are tags and always happy, love you. So yes, it can go very well on its own. Creative Escape Papercrafting is known for loading white cardstock because you want it for making your card bases as well as stamping your sentiments, etc. There are 4 sheets, mind it, 4 sheets of white cardstock, A4 size, and heavy duty cardstock. These are like good GSM. You have a navy cardstock, goes with all the paper. You have a craft cardstock, and you have a turquoise cardstock. So basically this is also the theme of the card kit. So yeah, perfect cardstock choices for the card bases. Wait for this, guys. There are 18 sheets of Katia Summer Splash Collection. 18 sheets of 6.5 by 6.5 inches of Katia Summer Craft Collection. If you're wondering why I'm looking down, it's because I'm referring to the list. Just stay tuned for this. Just wait, and you know why I'm creating this suspense. They're one-sided, so you don't have a war in your head to use which side. I usually face a lot of problems with that. They're amazing. You will fall in love with each one of them, and each one of them are so different. Let me just quickly give you a go through of all the 18 sheets. of sentiments on this paper. There are a lot of natural scenic views like this, which is the ocean or the natural sand texture or the water splash, and even this one which has they're like women's surfboarding. I think this is amazing. You get a lot of variety in this kit for paper, and everything, each one of them go with the other. Let's go to the embellishments. There's this little goodie bag. There are 2 wooden frames. So they sit perfectly on these sentiment papers. You know, you can have a little card with the sentiment around the frame. I think that's pretty cool. There is an 8.5 by 8.5 glitter paper which is not here. There is one sheet of 8.5 inches by 8.5 inches blue glitter paper. It does not come off. Again, thick good cardstock. Moving on to my other embellishments. 1 yard of white ribbon, 1 yard of light blue ribbon, 1 yard of heavy white twine, and 1 yard of turquoise and white baker's twine. Okay. So for your ribbons and twines, there are around 1, 2, 3, 5 kinds. 1 yard of white ribbon, 1 yard of, it's like blue, powder blue color. It's like a satin ribbon. That's like a textured ribbon. It's a yard of heavy white twine. It's not white, it's like cream color of white. 1 yard of blue and white twine. Baker's twine. This is baker's twine. And there is 1 yard of navy blue and white twine. So on the camera it may appear as black and white, but it's actually navy blue and white. Yeah, it's navy blue and white. Lastly, there are these ephemera little tags and borders. So let me just make you go through these as well. Actually put a screenshot right now. And you can pause the video, or you can just take a screenshot of it and zoom in and see what are the different ones. They're like loaded. Just I can make 10 cards using just these. Now there is another stamp set. Yes, it's the Prima Seashore Clear Stamp Set. Sailboat. It has a rope stamp. There are sentiments like seaside, enjoy, the compass. Now these are add-on, guys. They do not come in the value kit, but the extras are these gems by Studio Katia. And these are like a turquoise color glitter gems. Oxide in the color Mermaid Lagoon. Now I'm very excited about this because I own no distress oxide. I do not even own any distress inks. This is my first, and I have seen so many videos using this. This is supposed to be very creamy, buttery and chalk-like. So it seems like I'm talking about lipstick, but no, this is an ink. Distress oxide ink. I'm super excited to use this. This does not come in the kit, it's an add-on, but you can definitely go and purchase it as an add-on online shop. I'll leave the link to it down in my description box. Yeah, I'm forgetting words, I'm so excited. we're done. It's loaded. The whole area is covered with paper and beautiful stuff. So if you want this kit, please go and subscribe for Creative Escape Papercrafting monthly card kit. They are amazing. I have seen a lot of card kits, and in this I think everything goes with each other and you can create more than 10 cards easily. Probably you just need a little more cardstock which you can add from your stash, but you can, I can think of at least 20 cards just adding more cardstock. Birthday cards you can make, miss you cards you can make, love you cards, you can say happy holiday cards. So it's a very versatile kit, guys. I encourage you to go and subscribe and get the subscription to Creative Escape Papercrafting. They are a lovely bunch of people to talk to as well. About the giveaway. Coming to the giveaway, you would like to head out to my Instagram handle, which is sketchy.school. I'll leave a link to that as well down below, and you will have all the details of how you can participate in this giveaway, and you're gonna win a $20 gift coupon wherein you can straight away head to Creative Escape Papercrafting and buy whatever you want. Like anything from their shop. You can buy this card kit, or you can have your little accessories or just add-ons. So they have a lot of card kits, they have a lot of accessories, they have ribbons, they have Nuvo, they have stamp sets, they have lawn fawn loaded at their website. I really would like you guys to go and visit them. Go visit them and take a subscription if you really like their card kits. And if you want to win a gift coupon and probably buy something from their end to just see if they are as good as I'm telling, you can participate in the giveaway and get this gift coupon and go ahead and purchase whatever you want from their store. So head out to the link down below, and it's a very simple giveaway. Like, you don't have to do much. It's simple. So stay tuned. I'll be announcing it on YouTube in my video as well on my Instagram handle. So you want to hang in there to see who's the winner and if you won it. So it's a wrap, guys. Follow KG School on Instagram. Subscribe to my channel if you would like to see what I make out of these things. I'm going to definitely have a 10 card one kit coming up very soon. And you want to encourage me to make more cards, please like and share this and show it to all your friends who are interested in card making. You can follow KG School on Facebook as well. I'll leave a link to it down below. And I don't know what else to say. People in India, enjoy the rains. People rest, enjoy your summers, or if you're in Australia, enjoy your winters. Actually, I don't know what climate is going on over there. Anyway, I'm sure it's cold. Have fun, stay happy, keep the people around you happy, and that's it. Bye!